Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to the channel where we turn everyday ingredients into extraordinary dishes. If you're anything like me, you probably have a half-used onion lurking in your fridge right now, just waiting to be transformed into something delicious. Today, I'm going to show you 4 delicious recipes to transform that lonely leftover into something amazing. These recipes are not only easy, but also packed with flavor. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tasty tips. Your support helps us bring you more creative content. Let's get cooking. First up, we've got the classic French onion soup. Thinly slice that leftover onion and toss it into a pot with a good knob of butter. The key here is to slice the onions as thinly as possible to ensure they caramelize evenly. Cook on medium heat until they're golden and caramelized, about 20-25 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the pot. Add beef broth, a splash of wine if you're feeling fancy, and let it simmer for another half hour. The wine adds a depth of flavor that makes the soup truly special. Serve with a crusty baguette and melted cheese on top. The combination of the rich soup and the cheesy bread is simply irresistible. Voila! Fancy soup in no time. Next, let's spice things up with some onion bhajis. Slice your onion into thin rings. The thinner the rings, the crispier your bhajis will be. Mix gram flour, a pinch of baking powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and a bit of water to make a batter. It should be thick enough to coat your onion rings. The spices give the bhajis their distinctive flavor. Dunk the onion slices in and fry them up until crispy. Make sure the oil is hot enough to get that perfect crunch. Serve with a tangy chutney and you've got yourself a snack that's sure to impress. These are perfect for parties or just a cozy night in. Recipe number 3, caramelized onion tart. Roll out some puff pastry onto a baking tray. This tart is elegant yet simple to make. Spread a layer of caramelized onions over the pastry, leaving a little border around the edge. The caramelized onions add a sweet and savory flavor that pairs perfectly with the pastry. Top with goat cheese and a sprinkle of thyme. The goat cheese adds a creamy texture and the thyme gives it a fresh, herby note. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit for my American friends, for about 20 minutes or until golden and puffy. The pastry should be crisp and the cheese slightly browned, perfect for a posh lunch or a light dinner. And finally, let's end with a quick and easy onion jam. Dice your leftover onion and saute with a bit of olive oil until soft. This jam is a great way to add a gourmet touch to your meals. Add brown sugar and balsamic vinegar, then simmer on low until it's thick and jammy, about 30 minutes. The sugar and vinegar create a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. This sweet and savory spread is perfect on toast, burgers, or cheese boards. It's a versatile condiment that can elevate any dish. And there you have it, 4 fantastic ways to use up that half onion. Remember, cooking's all about creativity and having fun in the kitchen. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Until next time, happy cooking.